Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And our today's session is about MCQs for the subject Database Management System. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is, the DBMS acts as an interface between what two components of an enterprise class database system? Options are database application and the database, SQL and the database, the user and the database application, user and SQL. So the right option is database application and the database. See, जब भी कोई यूज़र या कोई एप्लीकेशन डेटाबेस से कम्युनिकेट करता है तो इट नीड्स एन इंटरफेस, ओके, एंड दैट इंटरफेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ DBMS. Now our next question is, which is used to define overall design of the database? Options are schema, application program, data definition language, structured query language. So the right option is schema. Basically in schema you will find all the objects related to the database. Now come to the next question. The relationship between tables is represented by, options are primary key, secondary key, foreign key, none of these. So the right option is foreign key. Okay, so foreign key works as a link between the two tables. Now come to the next question. Which one is not the component of a database? Options are user data, metadata, reports, indexes. So the report is not the component of a database. Now come to the next question. A database is called self-describing because it contains a description of itself. So you have to tell that whether this statement is true or false. So the statement is true. Now come to the next question. Process of organizing data into related tables called as normalization, generalization, specialization, abstraction. So the right answer is normalization. Okay, come to the next question. Which are the two ways in which entities can participate in a relationship? Options are passive and active, total and partial, simplex and complex, full and half. So the right option is total and partial. Okay, come to the next question. An application where only one user accesses the database at a given time is an example of a. Options are single user database application, multi-user database application, web-based database application, or data mining database application. So the right option is single user database application because only one user is accessing the database at a given time. Okay, next question is, the database schema is written in. Options are HLL, DML, DDL, or DCL. So the right option is DDL, that is data definition language. Our last question is, which of the following are the properties of entities? Options are groups, table, attributes, or domain. So the right option is attributes. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, share and like. We'll meet in the next session.